Hi, my name is Sandy Botkin. I'm a CPA and tax attorney and best-selling author, and I'm here to give you some very, very good news. This information could have a huge impact on your economic future by increasing your net spendable income by literally thousands of dollars a year and help make it possible to earn some big additional income. For the last 35 years, I have helped millions of people achieve higher levels of net spendable income. I would like to show you how I can do the same for you. The American home has long been the center of the American dream, a nice cozy place to keep us warm and comfortable and raise our families. Now it has become much more. For millions of smart Americans, it has also become the center of our economic future. Home-based businesses are one of the biggest economic shifts of the last 50 years. Why? Because just about everybody would like to work from home. And do you know anybody that doesn't want or need more income? With the internet, cell phones, and other communications technology, a person can do business from anywhere. So we're better than our home sweet home. Another big factor is that some very fine home-based business models have been designed and perfected around great products by doing business from home. These fine companies supply most of what is needed to have a real chance at a very profitable home business. There is one other big economic factor favoring your home business. You get thousands of dollars in tax advantages that the U.S. Congress has given to home-based business owners that employees don't get. These tax breaks are of enormous value to the home-based business owner, but unfortunately, they are misunderstood and underused, resulting in many cases of huge overpayment of taxes for millions of taxpayers. I would like to give you a quick education on how just valuable these great tax breaks are for home-based business owners. There are two tax systems in the U.S. One is for the W-2 hired worker, the employee, and the other is for the business owner, which includes small and home-based businesses. One tax code is for the person with a job, and the other is for the person who creates the job, even if that person just creates a job for themselves at home and it's part-time. Why does Congress do this? Because the government wants to help anybody create jobs, and any new small business means jobs. Thanks to the U.S. Congress, these are just some of the deductions that you will enjoy to maximize your new business as you pursue a profit. Please keep in mind that the tax law says these benefits are the same if your home-based business is either full-time or part-time, as long as you're trying to pursue a profit. So what you can deduct are things like sports season tickets, golfing expenses, planes, RVs, health insurance. You get a $25,000 deduction for the business use of vehicles that weigh over 6,000 pounds. And those are things like SUVs and things like that. 100% of all medical, dental, vision, mental health, and chiropractic expenses for insurance. Meals out at 50%. Home entertaining. Travel expenses such as food, dry cleaning, tips, laundry, etc. Expenses for children. How would you like to be able to deduct the equivalent of their lessons, presents, college education, clothing as wages? Real estate taxes, utilities, insurance, repairs, furniture used for work at home, depreciation of your vehicles, and a percentage of all the other expenses like gas, oil, insurance. Being able to deduct computers, printers, scanners, calculators. How about being able to take a loss when you sell your vehicle that employees can't take? You can deduct purchases you make for your work and related to your work. You can set up a retirement plan that makes any government plan minuscule by comparison. Plus, you get the ability to deduct the equivalent of your kids' college education and weddings. No kidding. You can also deduct 100% of your medical insurance premiums, as long as it doesn't create a loss in your business. All of these deductions can be deducted against just about any other form of income if it creates a loss, such as rentals, salaries, capital gains. If I can't show you how to save thousands of dollars a year in taxes, then one of us is brain dead. To give you an idea of how vital this information is for you, here's a great example. If you save a very reachable goal of $6,000 per year in tax savings and invested this money each year in an average performing mutual fund for 30 years, you would have a whopping extra $734,000 at retirement, above and beyond the profits you make from your home-based business. So as you can see, you have a very simple choice: pay a lot of taxes or fund your retirement. Did you know that taxes are the #1 business expense in life? You work almost half of every year just to pay your taxes. You owe property taxes, sales taxes, gas taxes, income taxes, real estate taxes, airport taxes, capital gains taxes, and about 100 others. And when you die, you even get hit with a death tax. In fact, over 40% of every dollar you earn goes to taxes. Any expense that is almost half of your income and rising, and make no mistake, it will rise, should deserve some very serious attention. Don't you agree? What if we could lower your taxes legally, ethically, and morally, and put thousands that you now give the government towards helping you? For example, you could get out of debt, or fund your retirement, or even fund your home business. Well, as a home-based business owner, the U.S. Congress says you can pay less tax. It's the law. This is why I said that this is such vital information for you. When you couple the potential profits of your home business with the huge, big tax savings, the results can be huge for your financial future. It's like getting free government funding for your home-based business every year that you never have to pay back. My #1 job is to make it very simple and easy for you to understand and use these great tax laws to your advantage. Working together, we can make huge gains faster and accomplish both of your cash flow goals of saving on taxes and earning new income at the same time. This just makes good common sense, doesn't it? This is the same sound financial approach I take with millionaires, new business owners, or newlyweds. For the last 35 years, I have helped millions of people achieve higher levels of net spendable income through my best-selling books and as a guest on TV and radio shows. I am also a featured tax expert in seminars with both Tony Robbins and Donald Trump. So please have no doubt I am qualified to produce the quick and easy results that you want. Over the years, I have found that anybody can do fun, simple, and easy. So that is the way I teach. I will break down complicated business and tax information in short, easy to understand, small bites that are easy to use and only as fast as you want them. I would also like to point out that tax reduction is not time-consuming. It is easily accomplished in just a few minutes a day, and nothing you could do with those minutes will put more money in your pocket by keeping more of what you're already making. In fact, on a per-minute basis, you will never see a better return. My promise to you, as part of your success team, is to help put thousands of dollars a year back in your pocket with some very simple and easy-to-use information and tools. As you now know, even the government wants to help you build your business. So get back with the person that gave you this valuable information. They also want to help you. Let's all work as a team to create your own home-based business story. The education and personal growth you are going to gain are going to be just as valuable as your new income and tax savings. I truly believe that the best answers for the financial security problems most Americans face lie right on the doorstep of your own home sweet home. Isn't it ironic that we run around madly looking and searching everywhere for success, and just maybe it was right at our doorstep the whole time? Maybe Dorothy in The Wizard of Oz was right. There is no place like home.